gonna show you guys how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic from Pinterest. I didn't invest any money. I get this commission all profits using free traffic. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, it's showing $0 because it's paid. I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. And in today's video, guys, I want to share with you my method that I use to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that people who are searching for on Pinterest, so they can buy those so they can click on those affiliate links and buy those products from you or services, and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's get started. So first step, guys, is you need to go to Google. Okay, so for beginners, first thing is you need to go to Google, click on search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page, and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community, and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, before we do that, let's scroll down. Let me show you the commission. It's the commission, because they are really paying a good commission, guys. Look at this, $115 for commission. It's up to $115 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money. Okay, you can click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, Fiverr Affiliate. The sign up process to Fiverr Affiliate program is super easy and simple. So what you need to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here, and you need to choose your country and choose your language. Then put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine. Click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. As you can see, it will take just a few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr Affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click on the search over here, search for eBay listing, search for eBay listing. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews, and he is selling this service just for $10, so people can give it a try. Okay, you will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, and click on default and dip links. Okay, then click over here and put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here, and next step, guys, is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do is you need make sure to open business account, not personal account. Choose business account. Okay, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, like this. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload a picture about your affiliate service. So you will go back to this seller page and you will scroll down and you can see over here his picture. You will click on his picture and you need to save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna double click save image. Okay, and I'm gonna name it, for example, eBay. Save. Let's go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, and I'm gonna upload my picture. Open, and your picture will be uploaded as you can see over here. Okay, so scroll down, you should see over here a link. Put your affiliate link here first. This is my affiliate link, and what we need now, we need title and description. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to his profile page and you will copy his title. I'm gonna use his title like this. Copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can copy his information. Paste, click over here and go back to his profile page. Scroll down, you can see over here about this gig. If you click over here on more, you should see his description here. I'm gonna copy this part. We'll go to Pinterest and they will put this description here. He will scroll down. You need to choose a board. Click over here. If you are new, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Okay, so and you can create as many as you want. I already created those 3 as you can see. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put tags. Okay, go back to this seller page, scroll down, keep scrolling down like this, and you should see over here related tags. Copy those tags like this, go back to your Pinterest account and paste. Use all those tags. Okay, you should use all those tags. Copy, Pinterest, and paste. After you finish, click over here on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys. You just need to give it a try. As you can see, you don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link over here, title, description. This is my method. I shared my method with you guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. And make sure to promote at least 5 services per day so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, see you in my next video.